Hi everyone, I hope you're all having an amazing day. Today I'm going to share one of my favorite eyeshadow looks that I've been doing recently. It's super easy and it looks so good. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need is bronzer. You can use any bronzer you have. This is just the one I'm going to use. It's by Hourglass. I want you to get a brush like this. You can see that it already has a little bit of bronzer on it, but this brush is just, really nice for picking up the bronzer, and I find that it's really easy to distribute everything as well. Get it like that. Get a nice amount onto the brush. Okay, and then I want you to go like this, and you basically just want to move it only around this part of the eye. Don't bring it to the beginning part. And then also, you're just gonna kind of trace above. So don't go like in the right here. You can see how it's a little bit lighter. You just wanna kind of slowly trace above. And it looks so good. And bronzer is like literally the perfect eyeshadow as well. I love using bronzer as eyeshadow. Now we're going to do the other eye, but you can see that basically the whole lid is covered in bronzer. And it's not going to look too crazy either, which is nice. It's a very natural, toned down eyeshadow look. If you want it to look a little bit darker, you just have to apply a little bit more pressure with your eyeshadow brush, and it should end up looking a tad bit darker. And just kind of move it around here like so. Now we're going to move on to the next step. So I want you to grab any highlighter that you have or an eyeshadow crayon. Now eyeshadow crayons are just eyeshadow sticks, and it's just cream eyeshadow and they're super pigmented. I would recommend using a gold kind of shade, because it contrasts really well with the bronzer. What I'm going to do, so you can either use highlighter or this, I've used both for this look and both look really good. And what you want to do is basically just draw on that beginning part right here where we kind of left it a little bit blank. Just start to draw. And I like using these because it's a little bit easier to get a more precise finish, and it just looks neater as well. But look at that. It's just so pretty, and it blends seamlessly like with the bronzer, and it's not too dramatic, which is nice, but it still looks like you have something on your eyes. This is probably like the easiest eyeshadow look to do. And then I'm going to show you how to kind of tone it up a little bit too if you like more dramatic looks. But yeah, just continue to kind of apply it right here. Don't drag it all the way out because it's kind of going to ruin the bronze look that we have. You get that same eyeshadow brush that you're using for the bronzer, but all you're going to do, and you're not going to add any more bronzer, you're just going to kind of smoke it out on the bottom part of your eye, and this is just going to make it like tie it in, and also makes your eyes look a little bit bigger as well. I like to get a really good lash curl, so I'm going to use just any lash curl that you have, and then I'm just going to bring it up like this. And I find that this is the best way to get like really nice, good looking lashes, and the curl holds so well as well. Woo! But look at that, isn't that so pretty? Yeah, this is the e.l.f. Oh my gosh, I don't even think I like shared what eyeshadow crayon I'm using. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics No Bud Shadow Stick in shade Champagne Crystal. It's so pretty, and it even comes with like a little thing to sharpen the pencil with. That's what it looks like. Okay, and then the mascara that I'm going to use is by Lash Princess. It's the orange one. So this is the finished eyeshadow look. Now you can leave it like this if you find that this looks really good and matches with what you're wearing, or you can add Kajal. So I love using Kajal to kind of just give me a more dramatic look. It really places the attention on your eyes. So I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Smoldering Eyeliner. And what I like to do, actually what I recommend, is just going like this. Like make sure that it's kind of okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw it along my waterline. And this, you're going to see the difference that it makes. I'm going to do like a little before and after. It kind of hurts to apply, so I'm just going to kind of do it a little bit quicker. I've been literally wearing this every single day for like 3 years. So I am pretty experienced when it comes to Kajal. So look at this before. So you can see my eye just looks a little bit more natural. But then look at this after. It just really adds that pop and kind of ties everything in and makes some eyeshadow look a little bit more like sophisticated. I don't know, I like it a lot. So we're going to do it on this eye now. I'm going to do it really quickly, how I normally do it. But yeah, I totally recommend this. And I'll link my blog post down below all about how to use this if you want to learn more. And here's the finished eyeshadow look, that only took me 8 minutes. And so, it's very quick, beginner friendly, and looks so good. And because it's bronzer, I just find that the formula lasts a little longer as well. I hope you found this helpful, and be sure to follow for more beginner makeup advice. Have a great day, everyone. Bye!